So as we were saying, all the projects, so everything, the front end, the back end, the whole solution is open source. So you can see the GitHub repository here on the top. So what I did is basically just get the sources from those two Wikipedia sources, so Bangladesh and then this law, and hit submit. You can see now we created two other documents. So one for Bangladesh and one for this law, which are taking their sources from Wikipedia. There you go. So you can see in less than what couple of minutes maybe, we loaded all those PDF document, YouTube video, and Wikipedia sources into Neo4j. So we do have quite a few nodes. What you can do now is click on Show Graph. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the chunks here, and you can see different information. So you can see obviously different document, different chunks. We get all the different sources from the Wikipedia sources. So you can see all of that is basically coming from Wikipedia when you have your knowledge graph into a graph and not just vector database, is because then you can link all the data you have in your knowledge, whether it's structured or unstructured, into all your different sources. So you can see, for example, my knowledge from Confluence being linked to some knowledge from Wikipedia. I'm going to show you the same chatbot interface, but in a bigger, larger screen, because then I can show you what you can do in terms of extensions as well. We're using basically GraphRag to create the graph structure, the chunks, based on the embeddings, and then we're going to provide a response from different sources, from unstructured information and from structured informations. You can see what we do is basically we list the sources from the question you ask. So for example, here we do have the question, who is GraphAcme? So we do, as I was saying, we do create the structured and unstructured information. So you can see it's giving a lot of different information, not just from one document, but from two documents in this case, with different information, which you can fact check. Sorry, but then you can see it's actually listing the sources from where it got its informations. Talking about the extension, you can see here a bunch of different icons here. So what I added is basically thumb up and thumb down in terms of providing feedback on a response. You can also generate the response if you are not happy with the response. And there is text-to-speech as well ecosystem, which is, again, listing all the initiative we do have at Neo4j. And in example project, we don't have just this project, obviously, but we do have this one here, which lists all the documentation, how to run it, etc. But it also comes with the self-hosted version. So this link here is publicly available.